Okay, now that we've made our buttons and we have them in a table in a Google Doc, what we're going to do is come here and select all. A quick way to do that is to hit the Control button on your keyboard and then A. And then you can hit the C, make sure you're holding the Control down the whole time. Hit the C to copy. Over here in my Schoology, I'm going to work in my sandbox for now. I'm going to add a page. And actually, before I do that, I'm just going to right-click Materials and open Link in a new tab, and you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to add a page, and then I'm going to just title it Buttons right now, but you might want to put classroom information or whatever you want it to be titled in your course. Then I'm going to click Control V to paste. So now in here, I can start linking my buttons. So if I want to link iReady, I can go over to my student applications, right click here, copy link, come back here, click my iReady, and then I'm going to click this little link button right here and paste that in. Then I'm going to want to link my folders to each of these days of the week. That's why I made a new tab right here. So if it's this week and I want to link Monday to Monday, I'm going to click on this folder, and up here I'm going to copy the link, go back here, click Monday, click the link, paste it in. So now I would do that with each thing that I want to link, and then I'm going to click Create. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select all again, Control A, Control C, and copy it. And I'm going to go into my updates. I can paste it right inside my updates. I prefer to do all my linking in the page first, because if you look here, it's just kind of hard to see. It's not as user-friendly. You're going to want to make sure you click on this little plus sign and click the bell, and then click Post. So now, here's my buttons right here. When they come here and they click on Monday, it would bring them right to that Monday folder, and they could do all of their assignments there. You can also make it so that when your students come into their course, it opens up to their update page and they see only this to get to what they need to get to instead of the materials page. But really, either one is fine. The only difference is that underneath this now, they would just see their folders, but the links will still work and bring them where they need to go. And that's it.